This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update for February 3rd. The corn market traded lower yesterday as it was pressured by fund selling after the past several days of better prices. As we head into next week's USDA report, traders are expecting to see cuts to ending stocks as a result of increases in exports. In South American news, Brazil is still experiencing delays to their second corn crop because of the delayed harvest of the soybean crop. Soybeans were pressured lower by a stronger U.S. dollar, a lack of any fresh Chinese announcement, and improving weather in South America. In Brazil, rains are expected to move north, which will allow the southern areas to dry out so that the harvest pace can pick up. Although we only have a couple percent of the crop harvested, the early reports are pointing to disappointing yields. I don't really look for that to be the case once we really get into harvest, however, as most analysts seem to agree that the South American crop is a crop that's just going to keep getting bigger this year. Wheat was lower as it was pressured by disappointment in our inability to get any of the Egyptian business. Heading into the Egyptian tender, the conventional wisdom was that the U.S. would be competitive, but instead the business went to Russia, France, Romania, and Ukraine. To bring the U.S. wheat into contention for Egyptian business, values would have to drop another 21 cents per bushel. Cotton futures had a positive session, with the March futures closing 66 points higher as they settle at 80.69. And livestock futures were stronger straight across the board. April live cattle were 82.5 cents higher, while March feeder cattle were up $1.20 at the closing bell. Lean hog futures were higher as well, with the April futures closing up $2.57.5. Class 3 milk futures kept this week's rally going, with the February futures ending the session 22 points higher as they settled at $15.72. Meat cutout values were mixed. Choice box beef was $1.08 higher as they closed at $236.76. Select boxes were 55 cents lower, settling at $225.04. And pork carcass cutout values finished $1.56 lower, ending the day at $81.10 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.